Yo, what's good, YouTube? I'm back in Ohio on Aberdeen. As you can see, got the crib behind me. Stuff's getting worked on up top. Boom, so you can see up where we at. Boom, up there, that soft fit, that white, that's different now because it used to be a brick on one side. So boom, now that matches. This is our third week in on this project. Soffit is up there. It looks really, really good. I'm just gonna walk around the property. There was a car that was blocking the driveway. Our neighbor's car had broke down. So we ended up helping them get it moved out the way. Let's see what we got going on here. All the carpets is getting ripped up. Hey, I seen that gray. I seen that gray.
See that new stuff?
Yeah. You had to get it matched up?
Huh?
Matched it up?
That's just gray primer.
Oh, wow. So you're talking about these pieces. They're working on fixing up some of this outside stuff. I don't think you guys seen this yet. New rail is up. Oh. All right, I'm in the kitchen now. Floors is down in the kitchen. Boom, look like I bought a little bit too much floor, but maybe I can use that floor on these steps, maybe. We'll see. Coming in here, everything's mudded up down here. Boom, this got painted black. Ceilings. You go through the other videos, you'll be able to see the ceiling. So they put up a whole new ceiling right over top of the old ceiling. So we didn't demo nothing out. Just some of the spots that was kind of sticking out. Boom, now they up mudding, taping, getting that together. Hallway. Up in here, pulling up the rest of these carpets. So these all right here, carpets gotta go up. These things gotta get up. Carpet's gonna get, carpet. The hardwood floors, I'm keeping them. They're gonna get sanded down, boom. And then I'm gonna hit them with ivory. So keep them on that out right now, looking real good. Boom, fireplace, black fireplace. Gonna have a white top on it. I think that looks really, really clean, just as it is right now. Boom. Upstairs bathroom. Floors are down, I think y'all seen that. Faucet stuff is right here. So, bathrooms are about where it's at. Obviously everything gotta get cleaned up. Boom, we're moving this over here, so it's right above the vanity. Getting up them stairs. Go, you got it.
I gotta find my knife.
Okay, he's gonna pull this carpet as well. All this carpet's getting pulled up. Boom, so that's her update right now. It's Monday. And let me see what this, forgot to show you guys this bathroom. Boom. Downstairs bathroom. Light is in. Fixtures going in. Faucets. Light up top going in. Mirror. This thing right here got sanded down. We're gonna get as white as possible. And then these is gonna get sprayed in white. Toilet is in. Water's not on. It's foul. Yeah. So that's looking good. Mirrors are working. Let's get it. Cool. All right, y'all, I'll be back with another update here in a minute. I'm gonna go down to the basement. Yo, so I'm done with Menards. I had to grab some help, and I'm back here at the property. I just walked through the property with one of my contractors, talking about some of the exterior things we need to get done. This beam, sheesh, it's all messed up. So this beam gotta go, gotta get replaced. I'm gonna replace this whole beam right here as well. Couple minor things that need to be done with the siding, but it's not in too bad of shape. Let me show you guys where we're at here. Right now, I got Mr. Howard down here knocking out some furnace work. The basement had flooded, which caused the furnace to go out. So he's replacing the blower, the brains, pretty much everything that was on this lower level because it wasn't sitting up on bricks. And it got flooded out. I'm also got my electric. It's gonna get done today as well. This I got wet as well, which I think it was purposely done, but we're not gonna blame nobody unless we really know the truth. Get up here. Kitchen is completely demoed out. Contractor ran through the kitchen work. I'm gonna do hardwood floors. I'm changing up, I'm doing hardwood floors. Bathroom's gotta get done. Flooring, toilet down here, fixtures. Hardwood floors need sanded and finalized. Same down here, all hardwood floors throughout. Got some paint material over there. Our paint team's gonna be here in a couple days. All this carpet's getting ripped up. That's getting ripped up. Hardwood floors, hardwood floors. Hardwood floors. In this room, we're gonna recarpet. Recarpet this room, cause look, you pull up under here and there's tile. So at one point in time, this was somebody's kitchen. And that can't be. Right here, we're gonna do some new ceilings up here. We're just gonna cover that up, make it look nice and good. Replace a couple of these doors. Yeah, other than that, we're going good. We're going strong. These are gonna get hardwood floors again. Hardwood floors. Hardwood floors, and fresh paint. This is like a heater up here, electric heater. I'm gonna keep that. New doorknobs, new handles, new all that. Has to get installed. We got up here. That's interesting. I don't know what that is or why they did that. Interesting though. And that needs to get replaced. See that? That little fake brick? I'm gonna get it up like this one over here. Oh, you can't barely see it. There it is, that white. So I'm gonna take this brick off and put that white. Other than that, we're rocking, we're rolling, we're loaded. And we're ready to get this thing done. Yo, what's going on YouTube? So, yes sir. Came down here, my guys is fixing the furnace right now. Yeah, I'm looking to buy more.
Somebody told me they had a bunch of houses. They said, I know it got something to do. He said, I'm not ready no more.
Yo, what's good? So I pulled up and I'm looking at some appliances now. The key thing about this is my brother has a relationship with the owner. He's able to get discounted appliances, so pretty much about half off. Check these out, some of the fridge that he got, these panels. Super nice, super sleek, $1,500, right? $1,100 for these fridges. Stainless steel, obviously got the water and the ice there. Like I said, usually these will probably be going for, you know, $2,000, $2,300, but with the connection that my brother has made, we're able to get our appliances for a lot cheaper. So I'm coming in here just to look at some of the fridges they have, some of the stoves they have. They got a new truck coming in here soon. Here's some of the stoves. And they also got a couple washers that I'm looking at, dishwashers. So I'm in here now, taking a peep. I'm gonna get some footage of him. I'm just speaking this a little bit. I may put it on this video, I may not. But as you know, I'm trying to put this flip together. I am doing a lot of things at once. Appliances is one of the things that's probably going at the end, but I do want to have an idea and a price point of what I'm looking at, and you know, what type of appliances I'm able to actually put in the property. So next, I'll be back and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Yo, what up, YouTube? It's Tuesday now. So we actually swept up down here, got the majority of the trash and garbage in this basement. So the basement is looking a lot better. I tried to get the water turned back on, but I thought I got this problem fixed and they didn't fix the problem. So I gotta have them come back out here to see what is actually going on with this leak. I'll take you guys upstairs. So the main difference from yesterday, not too much because the painter's in here. The contractor's actually on his way. But all this mess that was over here, there's still some metal that's down there. That gotta go on a different load, but we loaded up this truck. That got done all today. Took a couple hours to get that done. Take you guys in here. I'm gonna pick up the cabinets today, so I'm gonna bring the cabinets in here. They started hitting the paint in this room. And then here we go. This room's pretty much painted up. I think I already showed you guys the bathroom, mirror, vanities up, faucet. I'm actually putting this new drain in here. That's about to get done now. Come around here. Ceiling. So look at this ceiling now. Looking a lot better. Right here with the ceilings. Wires is zipping that hole. They're gonna have to just cut it out and bring them down. Yeah, so ceilings right now is getting textured to match the rest of the house. Boom. So I know you guys seen what the ceilings were like before. That's a big update right there. Well, next project is we ripped up these carpets and all these damn staples that's in here got to get pulled up. So me, my aunt, and my brother Kurt was in here doing that. Everything else pretty much the same. So that's where we're leaving off at for now. Contractors will be coming in here soon to do what they do. That's done. Hardwood floors, like I said, this is gonna get sanded. Hardwood floors put down. Overall, we're making some progression. Trying to get the paint team out of here so that contractors can really pretty much work freely. So that's our goal. Get the painters in and out so the contractors can come in and do their thing. So that's where we at with things. I'll get you guys with an update on the next video. Peace.